Do it. Yeah, we're gonna get the big one. All right. Woo. Now give us the mansion. Alright guys, I'm at the Luxor. I got 160 in this Buffalo Gold Wheel of Rewards. Played it at Hollywood, but they only had it in high limit, so now we can do some max bet on a normal one. Okay. Come on. Oddly, it's only $375. You'd think it'd be more. Well, that's alright. I hit like a $4,000 jackpot on the last Buffalo. Betting like, I think it was $450, so we're still in range. Buffalo! Buffalo! 30. Not shabby. Come on, wheelie wheels, or coins, or whatever we need. Eagles. Needed one there. Boo. Boo is what we say to that. Alright, come on, beefer. Do it. Lame. Going south on us. Now do that thing where you change them. Or is that a different game? I think it's a different game. Come on, do it. Hey, alright. Let's see what that does. 8 free games won. 2 or more, blah blah, to spin the free games wheel. 1 or more with a win to spin the multiplier wheel. Something, something. Okay. Oh wait, is that a Buffalo? All the way across town? Oh, and it's only $14.50? That's lame. I thought we got Buffaloes all the way across. Kitty cats. Wow, that's terrible. That's terrible. Terrible, as Charles Barkley would say. I had no idea what was going on. But I thought we got Buffaloes all the way across times 5, but they must not have counted as Buffaloes. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Beefalo. Beefalo, go. Oh, we needed him over here. That was Buffalo Gold Wheels Rewards. I had fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm at Hard Rock Tampa. We're going to play this All Aboard Cash Express. Some Guns N' Roses playing on the speaker, which is nice. Oh, you know what? It'd probably be smart to like put money in the machine, right? If you want to play it, I mean. I usually do that before I start. But I hadn't had my coffee yet. It's on the way. Okay. So, what do you think? $5? $5 a spin to start? Check that out. Oh yeah, and it's the Dynamite Dash. There's a bunch of different versions, so we're playing this little fella. I've never won on this one. Never gotten a bonus, I mean. Oh, so there it is. 6 of them. You're the one safe place where as a child that hide. That's my Axel, you like it? Quietly pass me by. I love Guns N' Roses. Come on. Sweet love of mine. Come on, little fella. No, don't be doing that. Oh, just dancing all around it, huh? Love of mine. Come on. We want the trains. Let's go, buddy. It's getting silly. Come on. Getting silly. Give us the thing, buddy. Come on. Oh, where do we go now? Where do we go? Come on. Yeah, do it. Where do we go now? Man, that's frustrating. Sweet child. Alright. One more 100, that's it. That's it. Let's go 750, see what that does. Come on. Hillbilly Miner guy? No. One or the other. Pick one. Do it. Pick one. That one or that one. Not both. Come on. Come on. Hey, we got it. Alright, we needed it too. 9 free games. And the number of little hillbilly guys are increased. I'm glad we upped our bet to get the bonus. Come on, do it. Give us a train bonus in this. Come on, stare it. Look at all that guy. Come on. I don't see any of them out there. Oh, only queens? Are you kidding me? Alright, whatever. Whatever. At least I'll get my 100 back, right? Come on, give us a trade. Train me. Come on. No, I didn't do it. Alright guys, that was Dynamite Dash from Hard Rock in Tampa. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm in the high limit room at Hard Rock Tampa. I got a $1,300 ticket in Huff and even more puff and stuff and junk and whatnot. We're going to do let's see, $20 spins. Hit it. Oh, trying to get that gold buzzsaw. Might go back to 10. Oh, there it is. We just needed 2 more buzzies with it. Tape measure king. Come on. Do it. Get out of the way for those piggies. Tape measure king. Don't be stingy piggies, come on. Ten a spin. We'll take it down a little. Oh, there it is again. Bitter doot, bitter doot, doot. to eat? Come on. A little bit of everything's nothing. Don't be a stingy piggy. Come on. Tape measure king. That's me. Come on. Come on, piggy, piggy, piggy. Come on. Oh, it was hanging. Come on. Come on. Wow, that's bad, guys. I don't know. It's 800 in like what, 5 minutes? I don't know. I guess we'll keep going. Come on. It's not even sniffing it. Come on, drop it. There it is. All right. Now, we got a lot of room to make up. We need to make like $900 on this. So. All right, come on. Mansion or upgrade. Not a mini. Okay, upgrade. There you go. Do it. Yeah, we're gonna get the big one. All right. Woo. Now give us the mansion. Come on. Hang on. Let me text NJ. Alright, sorry, I had to text him. You ready, guys? Let's do this. Alright. Super buzzsaw. Let's do this. Maybe we can make up 900. Let's see if he's coming. He's not. All right. Oh, it's big. Come on. That's a lot of houses. Come on, you can do it. Don't get stingy. What is that? What is that? That's not cool. Really? For the weekend. This is so bad. More. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. There we go. At least we'll get one. Terrible, 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 terrible. I need a lot of minis on those woods. A lot of minis we're gonna need. Come on. You can get them on the woods on here. I got two before. Come on, coins, coins, coin. No coins. Okay, this is horrible. Minor. Oh my gosh. 267.50. That is absolutely atrocious. Or 298.50, whatever. That's so bad. Guess y'all want to be down here. Well, finally got the bonus I wanted. I got the feature on the Huff and even more Puff, and it was bad. But we got it. Cross it off the list. It was terrible, Johnny. I got the upgrade. I got the saw feature. I had like the whole thing filled up with woods and straws, and I got one gold on the whole.
I was thinking about playing this again, but then I was like, I really don't feel like getting
I started with 1,300, and I just finished the bonus. I was down to like last chance. Yeah, I'm gonna stop at 7, guys. I'm sorry. That was. Hey, we finally got it. We got the upgrade. We got it. But it was terrible. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching.